Guys, we finally got a real video. We finally got a real unboxing video. But it's already out of its box. So, this is the DNA cube. It's a cube I got from a group a brand named Magic Cube. Everybody know. Ask a Filipino cuber that's a kid. Ask a kid who goes to Toys R Us and sees that. They know that company. I got it from this store in Ayala Malls Market. Named Metro. It also had a grocery. We shopped there, and I got home all dressed up all dressed up in pajamas. I also have this cube, which seems to turn really bad. Mama, can you solve that? Can you solve it? So guess what we're unboxing? Guess the name of this cube. Only cubers know. DNA cube. He got it. If you said that. Some people unboxed it. Like J Perman unboxed it. I insert video here. If insert video image of video here if I can put it in CapCut. So and so it turns pretty good. This other cube turns like absolute
trash. Turns like trash.
No, it doesn't turn like trash. It turns like the dump. Like, see? Let me solve it. Try to solve it. So you got like you got to do full wrist turns. No finger tricks, only wrist turns. New Rubik's brand is even better than this. So bad. Now I gotta take care of these, so no. And I made my own method, guys. I'm gonna upload the video in the future. It's gonna be like about I think it's gonna be it's gonna be uh, uh, it's gonna be, wait a minute. What do you call it again? What? I can wait till like 11 minutes, but it has been 5 minutes since recording. Can you do Mama, can you solve it for me?
No, I don't want to solve it. It's trash.
Anyway, so moving on to the DNA cube. 6 minutes since recording. The DNA cube is better than this trash. Like if you buy it, still the same company. Yeah. If you buy it, you're gonna regret buying it instantly when you start turning the cube. I don't use the AC method. I use my method. My own method. So my own method is like you do the first layer, but not properly. When you insert only one in corner, you have to insert the edge too. Or you can just go with Daisy if you want to practice the first version of my method. Okay. Doing a Nicholas is almost impossible, I think. It's okay. Going back to the DNA cube, it's so easy to take apart. Like if you do rate the algorithm too fast, it will like pop. It will pop. No, we speed cubers don't want that. Yeah, like also if you do this, it does that. It pops. But if you pop it like this, then it's not a problem. You did the problem. I got confused. Okay. Wait. What? I just bought it. It broke. Magic Cube companies, if you're watching this, you should definitely improve this. It already broke. What?
You're watching this one.
I don't like it. I don't like that box. That box. That cube.
But hey, at least we got it, ball.
Titi. Titi ka.
Okay, so back to the DNA cube. It already has been one Albuquerque in time. If when you're watching this, like 11 minutes. What? Anyways, the DNA cube is better than this. And this piece keeps popping out.
Do you still remember the Botoika company?
What?
Botica. Still remember that when you were small we recorded that? Huh?
No.
Huh?
I'm talking to my dad. Wait. I don't remember that because when I was small.
Botica.
So
Yeah.
this is a good cube. I suggest you buy this instead of this ball. This very ridiculous ball. Don't buy this. This is trash. Instead, buy this. This is a very good DNA speed cube. Or if you want it even better, you can buy another cube than Magic Cube companies. I haven't even bought any other of their cubes. This is the first cube I bought from them. Oh, and my first cube is actually a 2x2 I bought from them. It broke and my annoying dad threw it in the ground. And that cube doesn't exist anymore. Anyways, oh come on, why does this have to happen again? Anyways, so yeah, this is a very great cube. Let's do a checkerboard and then H-perm. Okay, H-perm done. Oh. Okay, this video is done. It has been one live Albuquerque. So bye guys. See you all tomorrow. And also I have a GAN now. A GAN cube, which is which is a bit too fast for my mom. But it's clearly okay for me. So my mom does the daisy, but I do my own method. Do the cross, solve the first plus second layer at the same time, and then do the last layer like usual, but don't make the line first. Make the cross first. But if you get the line first, you make it. If it's like this, make it like this, and then do a righty, and then if the tops if the cross colors aren't correct, then you gotta do a lot of soons to fix it, and then finally apply the necklace on the corners, and boom, you solve the Rubik's Cube. Anyways, moving on to closing the video. Bye, guys. Oh, and if you wanna meet my mom, Mama, say hi to the audience
Hi guys.
that are watching.
Hello.
She knows how to solve a Rubik's Cube, but it's Daisy. I made my own method. You use my method instead of the Daisy. Say bye, Mama.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Thanks for watching this 17-minute long video. Is it okay if I jump scare you?